Alright, this is my model 1999 yard machine by MTD, 25 horsepower. Well, sorry about that, that was a 12 and a half. I got the numbers mixed up on that. 12 and a half horsepower, Briggs and Stratton, with a 38-inch cutting deck, finish mower. We bought this at Walmart. And, well, the motor blew when I was trying to mow my lawn. And my neighbor, who recently just moved to New York, he had a mower just like this with the same exact motor. So I ripped that motor apart to put this one back together. And it's the deluxe shift on the go clutch-free transmission with a new battery from our favorite place up here, Napa Lawn Garden, 12 volt. Trust me when I tell you, it's got a new air cleaner. If I can get the stupid fucking thing open. It's a little nasty looking right now, but I can clean that. But it's brand new. You got gas tank right here. All this right here was all destroyed because it blew right here out and then from the spark plug out. It's a new plastic in the front. That's from my neighbor's mower with his light. He painted it. He was an avid painter, so he painted it up for me because it was originally white. But this side right here, that still has that brace, but this side doesn't because that fell off when the motor popped off. Underneath it here, it's pulleyed. New belt, but the belt snapped off a while ago. 6 gears transmission. Forward and reverse, obviously. But it also has a spindle hook and the triple wide yard machine tires, which is a good idea to have when you're a bigger guy like I am. Alright, I'm going to hand the camera off to my little brother Connor. Just don't put your finger in front of the camera. You already know that. Alright, here we go. With no choke first. Half throttle. New battery sucks. Now my little brother's gonna drive it around. Hey, put it in second gear. I actually didn't think it was gonna go, but it does. Now I gotta fucking move my plow truck after. Fucking A. Look at that. Runs great. My blades are a little fucking bent. Just get a new pair of those. But I'm surprised that the mower actually ran right. Can't believe a fucking 16-year-old put it back together. Nice. This fucker works pretty good. Alright. See you guys later. Leave some good comments, please. Or some suggestions on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.